Yes, you heard that right. Now change the gears without using clutch pedal. Let's see what's all this about and see the pricings as well. Hi everyone, this is Akshay and you are watching Petrolheads Paradise. Please like this video and subscribe because there is something you will definitely learn in this video. Hyundai will be bringing something which is first time ever in India and which will be definitely helpful for a lot many public in India. The Hyundai Venue will be coming with the new technology of transmission which is called as iMT, Intelligent Manual Transmission. This technology is such that the driver will be able to drive the car normally but with the ability to shift the gear without using the clutch pedal. For the beginners, there are 3 pedals in the footwell, A, B, C, and no clutch in automatic. This transmission is not completely manual nor completely automatic, but it sits somewhere in the between. There is a sensor in the gear lever which senses as soon as you start shifting and sends the signal to the TCU, and then it actuates the clutch automatically for you. And with the greatest efficiency, you will be able to shift the gears. Greater efficiency because it's the computer who will be clutching for you. iMT will be available only in the petrol 1 liter turbo petrol, no diesel. But the 1 liter turbo petrol will be producing 120 horsepower. Nice. The difference between iMT and automatic is that in iMT, it won't be shifting automatically. You need to pull the lever and shift the car and the computer will be clutching for you. Is this fuel efficient than an automatic? Of course yes, because there is no heavy automatic gearbox or torque converter which will be eating your extra fuel. It's a smart manual transmission, so it will be fuel efficient just as manual. Is the iMT for you? Well, nothing can beat the pure driving pleasure of driving a manual with clutching and shifting the cars yourself. But it can be an enthusiast choice, right? Daily driving, commuting to work, putting your left leg on a rest on a long drive. Or for those who have never driven a manual or having issues with the clutch control. Is this cheaper than an automatic? Well, way cheaper than an automatic, but slightly expensive than the manual, as there are motors in the clutch housing and some sensors, plus the new technology which adds to the extra cost. But some of the questions like, what will happen if I shift the car from 5th to 2nd? Well, to answer these questions, I need to test drive the car when the car comes and answer about all these questions. Tell me in the comments below. So that was all about it. What do you feel about the new technology which Hyundai is bringing with the Venue? Not losing the driving pleasure of shifting like a manual but without a clutch. Will this be helpful for mass public? Will this be helpful for you? Tell me in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do hit like, feel free to comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Petrolheads Paradise. Again soon I'll be back with new exciting and super awesome video. So till then, stay safe, use sanitizer. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind. Woo!